to Group Renault Splash project. We were tasked to break into teams and select a leadership team. Discussions were tough, but the outcome was positive, and it is going to be a real opportunity for Renault team to develop their management and leadership skills. Today, 86 Group Renault employees will deliver a new facility for Ellen Pollard's Foundation children who suffer from motor deficiency. For less than 10 hours, the team will build a playing and learning facility from scratch with their own hands. A day full of leadership, team building, emotions, laughter, and a lot of fun.
So this is your area for today. What we're going to do now is quickly go through the safety brief, and then it will be handed over to the management team to then carry on for the rest of the day. Okay, over to you guys.
So my name is Fadila Rachedi, and I work in Cléon plant as logistic manager. Yesterday when we started the work, it was quite difficult to find an action plan and to find an organization for everybody to make sure that today we will achieve the objective. So I tried to find an action plan and an organization, and I proposed it to the whole team, and so we had to vote and have the responsibility of this project management.
Good morning, my name is Miguel Oliver. The main goal is customer satisfaction. That's clear, that's to say we have to be done the completely product, and just to achieve that, to know if you have really prioritized and everyone knows who has to be done.
I think the first challenge is to make sure that we will achieve the construction today and that the kids will be satisfied with that. And then I think we should also all be satisfied with the way we will do it together.
Hello everybody, 10:30. We have been working for 2 hours for such interesting project. So 90 people from different countries from Europe and Eurasia gathered together to realize such huge project and social responsibility. Just now we'd like to say how is going on. Hello, could you tell us how is the project? There is any delay?
Yes, we have a queue to cut our components, and it's a little bit tricky for us because there are a lot of components to be cut. This is the bottleneck for our topic, but we will succeed anyway.
So the mood today?
We are really a team today, okay?
Dream team, okay, thank you.
We try to work together, and we try to help each other, and we try to organize us in the best way. And we always follow our leader,
Okay.
which is Mario.
Okay. He was appointed by himself, or you chose him as a leader?
By himself.
So my project is halls. So it needs big efforts, as you've seen. So a huge man effort like me. So I'm trying to help the ladies, and I already make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 halls.
Oh, 7 halls.
Yes.
So I've been part of a support team. We did a lot of humping around of wood and materials, got them organised from that perspective. Now we've been promoted to chief engineers for the archway that goes across of the ramp as people come in to the structure. So it's super important that we get that right.
Well, I was in charge to manage the team for 1, 2, 3, 4 parts to build. The biggest challenge was to define precisely the role of each people, because in fact we need small teams for each part, and we have to define clearly who is in charge of what for each part. And when you decide that, it's easier, of course, because everybody can manage its job.
Vous pouvez aller déjeuner now. We can have lunch now.
It's 12 o'clock and the team needs to go for lunch, but there is still a lot to do.
Hi, my name's Cy Young. I'm one of the project facilitators for Splash. It's 12:50. They've done very well so far. It's going to be touch and go, but I trust them and I think they'll be able to complete it on time.
It's a really interesting day. We are not only participate in the big corporate responsible project, always we try to understand who is the leader today.
We asked participants what do they think are the most important leadership skills.
Listen to others, but take the responsibility to decide and to assume what you are deciding.
To organize, to give the target to the team, and to check if everything is working and they need help.
He should also show example, not just telling or giving orders, but to show how to do and help the team to do the job.
So delivering, helping people develop and set the targets and the strategy.
To be in a positive energy and to be constant, no stress, because if you are stressed, you stress the team.
Trust in the other. I always say that alone I go quicker, but with a lot of people you go longer.
The ability to communicate, demonstrate empathy, listen. You know, for me, these are the key.
We asked participants what is their personal development goal for today.
My personal objective for today is not push too much people.
To improve the skills of motivation of the team.
Not to do things when others don't to do it. In fact, to more delegate and not to do things when things are not done because people are not doing it.
To understand what was the biggest quality of each of colleagues of my team.
Actively listen more.
The idea, obviously, of the Splash program is that people learn and find the answers themselves. Sometimes you have to get out of your corporate perspective. Self-awareness becomes very important, as well as the questions, when do you have to be a leader? And when sometimes actually following might have a more fundamental impact than just trying to be the leader himself.
I am Diana Bocșaru. I'm Learning and Development Senior Manager within Renault Romania. And here, actually, for Leaders of Tomorrow, I'm a Project Manager for Eurasia. I think leadership and CSR go perfectly together, and actually we have here a great demonstration of that, because Splash, it is about showing that leadership and CSR are a perfect match.
As participants, we asked them how do they feel about corporate social responsibility and why is it important.
It's very important. It's not only making us coming together, but also we are going to leave something behind us. And the kids, when they are playing, this is the Renault guys who came here to build this nice park for playing.
My name is Ilona Alova. I am a doctor and a pediatrician, and I work for Ellen Podats Foundation here. You know, it's very different from the hospital, because in the hospital it's very strict, and here it's more the atmosphere is more kind for the children, so they could take everything like medication and educational program, and at the same time to play, to go to the school, and it's much easier for them to find the real life somewhere. They feel much less like in hospital. If you could propose something like this playing space and motricity space, it's still educational sometimes, but still playing. It's very important. It's very different, because in playing program we could do much more with children.
4 o'clock approaching and we are almost done. The team is putting last efforts to build the playground.
We have been working for 8 hours. We have lost half an hour. Everybody is tired, everybody is rushing. But I'll try to understand the final stage and final mood. Let's go.
Now I go where they need the people to go.
I'm cutting the carpets to put the decoration on this part.
To be honest, I cannot answer that question. I'll keep going till I'm told to stop.
I'm in a great mood. Today it's like the sun, shiny. I'm finishing this part with putting a barrier for the kids not to fall.
Very exciting because we are under pressure, but we like that and it will be very fantastic for the kids.
There was a great spirit on my team. I was the only woman and they were all very nice to me. And they also obeyed me, so it was very nice as well.
No, that's one question. No, it's not time now.
We need to ask questions. We need to ask for special tools because without that we will be busy till the morning. And maybe not till the. Давай, давай. Давай.
And done. Mission accomplished. What a day and what a team.
I wanted to thank you all. I think it was amazing. So first of all, thank you to the leadership team who was struggling and really did a fantastic job. I also wanted to thank the Super Splash team, which have done a fantastic job, and I think
I was asked to tell you 2 words, so I will stick to 2 words.
Thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup.